Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can disable or enable AirDrop application on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments at the end of the video and be sure to put your likes. And let's get into this topic. And in order for you to disable AirDrop, please first of all go to Phone Settings on your iPhone, then the Screen Time option. Then scroll down a little bit and open Content and Privacy Restriction. Now go to the option which is called Allow App and Features. And here you can easily find AirDrop. So, in order to disable it, you will just need to click on this button right here in front of the name. If you have a password on your phone, enter it. That way you will disable AirDrop on your iPhone. And vice versa, if you want to turn it on, then you need to activate this feature, this button. If you have a passcode on your phone, also enter it. And then AirDrop will be enabled. Friends, in this very simple way you can quickly and easily enable or vice versa disable AirDrop on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Please write your comments, put a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you soon.